welcome back to my channel. We're back at it again. If you guys want to know how I get that makeup look going, stay tuned and keep watching. I know I look crazy right now, but it's the process. Please subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be notified every time she posts a new video, which is going to be every week. And without further ado, let's get into for this look. We're channeling very much autumn, browny, orangey kind of vibes. Have myself looking like an autumn leaf. I'm going in with my Naked 3 palette that I got from at Her Beauty on Instagram. Wink wink, it's a plug. Just go in right there like so. It just basically helps your eyeshadow to stick and it makes it pop more, makes it more pigmented. Otherwise, okay, so now we're just gonna go in with that shade Teddy, and I'm actually just gonna pack that all over my lid. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Furball. This one over here. Pack that right over Teddy. Right over here. The fun part. Now we're gonna go in with Nibbles. Okay, and now you just want to pack this on the outside like so. The final color, we're gonna find the darkest brown that we can, and we're gonna go in with this shade called Babe. Okay, so what we're gonna go with this is we're gonna go right under the inside of the crease. So right over here. This. Now we're going in. This is the scariest part. I love doing this, but I hate doing this because it's like if you get it wrong, you get it wrong. If you get it right, you get it right. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I like to start in like this with a whole lot. And then I saw this somewhere where you look up, boom, and there it is. Well, you know where your crease ends, and you can just follow that line. Okay, I think it's good enough. One day I'll get to a place where I could just do and it'll be fine. But right now, shit, I think I did a pretty good job. I think I did a pretty good pretty good job. You guys tell me how you think I did with cutting this crease. And maybe I'll fight you, maybe I won't. So we're gonna go back in with shade. And we're just gonna pack that in on the sides, just to kind of close and neaten the crease. It's coming out pretty good. It's coming out pretty good. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Okay, now we're almost done. I'm gonna go with Nibbles just to solidify that whole orange look, because we're trying to have it to look not orange, trying to have it to look orange. People come at me for saying orange. Sorry, it's orange. You're gonna have it look orange just at the end, nothing too much. Shake off the excess product from your brush, and then we just blend that out. Okay, I probably should go in with this white. What's this called? So Hot. Ooh, like somebody I know. And then we're gonna go into the crease and just pat that over there. Babe again, and Okay, so we're done with that, and we're just gonna go in the final touch with the shade Unila, and we're gonna go in just a little bit over the edge in the crease, like so, and then we're just gonna blend all that beauty out. I really feel like I should go with a light shimmer on the inside of my crease. This shade, it's a bad word, so I'm not going to say that, but I'm going to go with this shade. Use my finger here on the corner of my eye, and we'll be back. We got the lashes on and some eyeliner, and I think we're done. No, actually, the face. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys learned something, because we're learning together. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're trying to see how I did the rest of the face, give this 100 likes. Let's get to 100 likes, and I will do a video on how I did the rest of my face, including the lips, and all the products will be linked down below. See you guys in the next video. Oh peace, oh love, oh blessings. Until next time.